Good morning, children. You are most welcome to the language class. Today I am starting personal and possessive pronouns. Personal pronouns and possessive pronouns. At first, we must know that what is pronoun. Pronoun is a word that is used instead of noun. Okay. So, if we will say Ram is a boy. Ram is going to school. Ram plays cricket. Ram plays very well. Now, we can say Ram is a good boy. He plays cricket. He is going to school. He plays very well. Okay. So, instead of Ram, we are using he. This he is called the pronoun. Like this, there are many pronouns are there: she, they, we, us, it, and many others. Now we are starting from the book. Read the passage given here. Underline the nouns and circle the pronouns. Here, my friend will come tomorrow. Here, friend is noun. I will pick him up from the railway station. Here, my, I, and him is the pronoun. So circle them. He will stay with us for a week. He is a pronoun, us is a pronoun. I will play and study with him. I and him is the pronoun. Dad will cook something special for him. Dad is a noun, so underline it, and him is a pronoun. Circle it. He will also take us out for a movie. Here, he is a pronoun which is used instead of dad. Okay. We will have a good time together. We is a pronoun and we is used instead of I, my friend, and dad. Okay. So here the yellow box. I, a pronoun, is a word used in place of a noun. Example: my name is Rahul. I like going to school. Rakesh and Prakash are brothers. They play cricket in the afternoon every day. The pronouns that have been highlighted are personal pronouns. Now, personal pronouns are words that are used in place of nouns that name people. So, when we are placing any pronoun instead of a noun, that is called personal pronoun. For example, we can say, my name is Rahul. I like going to school. So, I is used instead of Rahul. Rakesh and Prakash are brothers. They play cricket in the afternoon every day. So, Rakesh and Prakash, this is used instead of Rakesh and Prakash, we are using they over there. The pronouns that have been highlighted are personal pronouns. So, I, they, these are the personal pronouns. Why they are personal pronouns? Because we are using them instead of nouns. Next, the table below shows the personal pronouns in singular and plural form. First person, I. First person, that means who is speaking, is called the first person. Next is we. That means I is over there. I and many others. So, we is also a first person because I am there. It is plural. It is in plural form. Okay. Next, me. Me means give it to me. This is also first person singular number. And us. Okay. Next, second person, you. You all will be you. Singular will also be you and plural be you. Will also be you. Next is the third person. Third person, he, she, it, they. Him, her, it. Them, these, those. So he and she. Instead of he and she and it, he is used for the male. That means masculine gender. That means boys and man. She is used for the feminine gender, female, that is girl or woman. It is used for the neuter genders or the common genders. It is called it. Okay, next they. For three of them, when there will be plural number, we will use they over there. Him, her, it, and them, these, those. Afterwards, we will learn the uses of it. Next, join the sentences in the two columns correctly. See that the pronouns match with the nouns in number and gender. Rohit, Shaika, and I are friends. We plan many things together. Number 5. We are going to the museum. It has a good collection of old coins and fossils. Number 4. Number C. We will see the coins and fossils and the bones of a dinosaur. Those are very interesting objects. Shaika likes dinosaurs and fossils. She wants to take photographs, but that is not allowed. Rohit loves coins. He will write down everything about them. Sohel and Ratna may come with us. They also like visiting museums. So match the following we have done. Next come to the green box. A pronoun and a noun, it is referring to must agree. If the noun is plural, the pronouns must be plural. If the noun is singular, the pronoun must be singular. Okay. So if a boy is there, we cannot say they or he. Okay. Then we have to say he. If there are boys, then we have to write they, we cannot write he over there. Listen to me properly. If the noun is plural, the pronouns must be plural. If the noun is singular, the pronoun must be singular. That means if there is a boy, then we have to write he. We cannot write they over there. If we will write they, it will be wrong. And when there are many boys, then we have to write they. He will be wrong. Understood? If the noun is masculine, the pronoun must be masculine. If the noun is feminine, the pronoun must be feminine too. If the noun is neuter gender, the pronoun referring to it must be in the neuter too. So, if the noun is masculine, the pronoun must be masculine. If it is a boy or a man, we have to use he, him, his, himself. Okay, like this. If the noun is a feminine, the pronoun must be feminine too. That means if it is a girl, then we have to write she, her, herself. Okay. Next, if the noun is a neuter gender, the pronoun referring to it must be the neuter too. That means if it is a neuter gender, we have to use it. If it is a non-living thing, then we have to use it over there. Okay. Next. The thief stole the diamonds. The thief hid the diamonds carefully. Hid them carefully. Next, the lady tried. We have to rewrite the second sentence in the pair here. Replace the nouns expressions that the correct pronouns. With the correct pronouns. One has been done for you. The thief stole the diamonds. The thief hid the diamonds carefully. He hid them carefully. You have to do from the number B like this. The lady tried a coat. The lady liked the coat. Okay. So you have to write the lady tried the coat. She liked it. Next, Riaz planted a tree. Riaz looked after the tree. Riaz planted a tree. He looked after it. Bridges are built by the engineers. Bridges are also maintained by engineers. Answer. Bridges are built by engineers. Those are also maintained by them. So instead of bridges, we are using those because that is plural, and maintained by engineers, we are using them. Okay. So you will do it by yourself, rest of the things, rest of the numbers. Next we are going, there is another type of pronoun which is called the possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns are pronouns that stand for people or things who own something. In possessive noun we have read Ram's book, Rita's cycle. So the possession, it is showing the possession, it is showing the that who belongs this thing, who is the owner of this thing. Okay, this computer is mine, that computer is yours. That means it is showing that this is mine. I have the power to use that. I will take care of it. I will do everything. That is called possession. And that is your computer. That means whatever problem will be there, you will see after that. Next, the table below shows the possessive pronouns in singular and plural forms. Person. First person, mine, plural ours. Second person, yours, plural will be yours. Third person, his, hers, its, that will be also theirs. Possessive pronouns never come with an S. The short form is it is, the it apostrophe s. So possessive pronoun there will be never come with apostrophe s. Okay, possessive pronouns will not have any apostrophe s. And the short form is it is, it apostrophe s. Don't confuse its with the possessive its. So it apostrophe s means it is, and its its means that things. It is my book. See, it is written in short form, it's my book. But the bird has a nest, its nest is small. Here its is the, this its is the pronoun. This its is the pronoun. It is the short form. This one is the short form. And this one is the pronoun. This one is the pronoun. Okay. Its, its is the pronoun. Remember that. And its is used instead of the bird. Now next, some students and their teacher are talking at the end of the day. Underline the possessive pronouns in their dialogues. Pack up, children, time to go home. Here's a pencil box. It is yours. Shuhas, yours. Here yours is the possessive pronoun. Next, Suhas, yes, it's mine. So mine is the possessive pronoun. Thank you, but this book isn't mine. Mine is the possessive pronoun. Is it yours, Sunil? No, it isn't mine. Here mine is the possessive pronoun. It's hers. Hers is the possessive pronoun. No, that book is not mine. Mine is the possessive pronoun. It's his. His is the possessive pronoun. Hassan's. Komal, is this water bottle mine or yours? So mine and yours both are possessive pronoun. They look the same. It's, they is the personal pronoun. Okay. It's not mine. Mine is the possessive pronoun. It's hers. Hers is the possessive pronoun. That one is yours. Yours is the possessive pronoun. Mine is with me. Mine is the possessive pronoun and me is the personal pronoun. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct possessive pronoun from the box. Amar, I am confused. Is it our turn or yours? Bina, it's not. Amar, I am confused. Is it our turn or theirs? The answer will be theirs. Bina, it's not their turn, it's ours. Okay. I cannot see mom, but I know the voice is hers. I can recognize mom's voice from a mile. Rest you will do by yourself. Okay, I will send the answers in next class. So read the chapter. If there is any problem, ask me in the online class, live class. Okay, in the live class you will ask me and I will try to help you. And these charts, read this chart, this one, and there was another one here, this one. These two charts are very important. Write it in the copy and learn it. These two charts, write it in the copy and learn it. Okay, so till the next class, goodbye, have a nice time.